For 241, they give us an equation, y equals 1/2 x minus 4, and they say, they ask a couple questions. So first they say, what is the slope of the line? So let's remember, y equals mx plus b is a linear equation in slope-intercept form. M is the slope, and b is the y-intercept, right? So we can just look at the equation y equals 1/2 x minus 4 and see the slope and the y-intercept. So A says, what's the slope? The slope is 1/2. And B says, what's the y-intercept? The y-intercept is -4. Okay, so they are easy. C says graph the line, so let's graph the line, right? So I will draw a coordinate plane, x and y, and let's graph some points we know. We know the y-intercept is -4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a point. And we know the slope is 1/2. Now remember, the slope is rise over run. So if the slope is 1/2, that means the rise is 1, so I go up 1. And the run is 2, so I go over 2, and I get to here, right? And if I wanted to do this again, right, I could go up 1 over 2. And if I wanted to do it again, I could go up 1 over 2. And even if I wanted to do it again, I could go up 1 over 2, right? But I don't really need to do that. I'm just showing you that the slope is constant. And there is the graph of the line.